Well, I came out here to run and get some cigarette tubes, and guess what? It's lightning so friggin' bad. The bus was like minutes from coming, I imagine, but it didn't. And I had to run from the bus stop. I didn't have a choice. But they say that there's tornado warnings. There's 4 areas of circulation coming from the west, heading to the east, and we just had one hell of a clap up. Kind of like that. I think there's going to be a lot more than that. But anyways, I'm just glad I'm at home and under the thing, and if we get a tornado, well, that's the way it is. Kind of staying in this one position so that if we get another lightning strike like that one there, you could see it. But if I turn this way a little bit better, there's some really dark purples and reds and yellows. This is what some of our tropical storms are like, if you can enjoy that. Kind of cool now, but that's normal for one of these storms. It was really warm a few minutes ago. It's funny, just a few minutes ago it said the battery was low, but it's working all right now. Come on, give me a good lightning strike, but not me, but so that I can get it on camera. Starting to get really windy now. And, oh, I think we probably got that one. Okay, I gotta move back. It's getting me now. Oh, where'd my cane go? I don't have the damn thing with me. Oh, there it is. Hanging over the chair. Christ, I'm almost on the other end of the porch and... oh, there's hail. That's highly unusual.